What is A.L.I 360? It's all about patient acquisition. Meet Dr. Adjust. He's a great chiropractor, but his methods for getting new patients aren't working, leaving his calendar empty. He needs a smarter approach. That's where Target Patient MD comes in. We don't just run ads. We use our exclusive AI platform, A.L.I 360, to turn your ad spend into guaranteed booked appointments. Before we spend $1, our A.L.I 360 AI analyzes millions of data points in your local market to identify the most profitable patients and the exact message that will make them book an appointment. Appointments equal revenue, not traffic, and that's what A.L.I 360 does. On Google, A.L.I 360 predicts which users are most likely to book right now. It targets them with ads that don't just lead to a website, but to a seamless scheduling system, converting active searchers into confirmed appointments. On platforms like Facebook and Instagram, our AI finds your ideal patients based on their digital behavior, sometimes even before they start searching. It can then serve them compelling ads designed to stop their scroll and drive them to book a consultation directly. A.L.I 360 even leverages your reputation, automatically pushing your best reviews into our ad campaigns. This builds instant trust and increases the rate at which ad viewers become booked patients. It all comes together in an automated system. A.L.I 360 powers a frictionless journey from the moment a patient sees your ad to the second their appointment is confirmed on your calendar, often without your staff lifting a finger. Imagine that for a second. This is a big one. For personal injury, our A.L.I 360 AI scans for real-time accident indicators. It serves targeted ads to these individuals, driving them to book an immediate post-accident evaluation on your calendar. A.L.I 360 identifies employees actively searching for care covered by workers' compensation. Our ads simplify their search, leading them to a dedicated booking page to schedule their initial consultation. To get weight loss clients, our AI targets users showing strong intent to improve their health. We serve them ads for your wellness consultations, converting their motivation into a scheduled appointment. A.L.I 360's precision is key for neuropathy. The AI finds individuals searching for specific nerve pain symptoms and serves ads that speak directly to their suffering, compelling them to book an assessment. Our AI identifies patients who need DME. By targeting users based on related medical searches, we present your bracing solutions at the exact moment of need, prompting them to schedule a fitting or consultation. A.L.I 360 intelligently separates acute pain from chronic. It targets ads for urgent sprain relief and long-term osteoarthritis management, filling your calendar with a diverse range of motivated patients. For a high-value service like PRP, our AI targets affluent individuals seeking cutting-edge non-surgical options. We convert their sophisticated interest into high-revenue booked consultations for your practice. And A.L.I 360 can do this with any other specialty like stem cell, light therapy, adjustments, shockwave therapy, or any other specialty you're delivering to your patients. Stop guessing and start booking. Let us show you the exact number of appointments our A.L.I 360 AI can find for you. Enter your info now for a free AI-driven analysis of your local market. See your true potential.